Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jillian, if y'all didn't know. And welcome to my office in the upstairs loft area of my house. I've got this beautiful view going on, and I'm working on the video that you guys are going to be viewing today, hopefully. I'm going to be real quick about it. It's a healthy snack kind of video. I've got a couple recipes for you that I really hope that y'all are going to like, because they were delicious and I enjoyed them greatly. And if you're gonna mindlessly snack, or if you just want to kind of uplift your mood a little bit, not feel so bad about what you're putting into your body, if you're in one of those depressive moods where all you want to do is just eat, or if you're the opposite and you don't want to eat, this is kind of something that you can force yourself to eat a little bit. They're delicious, nutritious, and they're really easy to make. So let's get into it.
Alrighty, y'all. So here is my recipe for peanut butter cup overnight oats. You're going to need a 12-ounce jar or 8-ounce jar, whichever you have available to you. If you don't know what size it is, doesn't matter. Get a jar. You're going to then put in 1/3 cup of oats, Old Fashioned Oats, quick oats, whatever you want to use. Then we're going to put in 1/2 cup of almond milk. I use vanilla, that is sweetened. And then we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of crunchy peanut butter. You can, of course, use creamy peanut butter if you don't like crunchy. Then I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and of course it's new and unopened, and I didn't realize that until I opened the lid. And then what we're going to do is we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Of course, this recipe can be changed. Any amounts can be changed. You can add in chia seeds, protein powder, whatever you want to use, because it's your life and it's your overnight oats. These are going to be mixed and put in the fridge. So yeah, easy as that. And in the morning time, you can look completely disheveled and grab your overnight oats out of the fridge. Grab yourself a spoon. Take a bite. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully it's something that you'll enjoy, because it's a real good breakfast. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go eat my overnight oats and see what the rest of the day has for us. Now we're going to make garlic hummus. This is good with a plethora of foods, and as a snack, you can eat it as a veggie dip. Yes, of course, you're going to need your food processor, or your arm is going to hurt if you want to use a mortar and pestle. Up to you, absolutely 100% preference. So then you're going to put a 15-ounce can of garbanzo or chickpeas. I've drained mine. You're going to start adding your spices. 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Feel free to add whatever spices you'd like to customize your hummus. Throw in a couple of cloves. Throw in a couple cloves of garlic. Whole is easier. Food processor will take care of the chopping and whatever. You're going to then add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice for that little bite of acidity. You're going to run the food processor. Start adding in your olive oil. You're going to add about in total 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, it's going to be personal preference. If you want to just use like canola oil because you don't want to add any extra flavor or anything, I just find that the olive oil adds more depth to the flavor. During this time, you're going to puree the mix, scrape with a spatula, make sure everything gets incorporated. It's probably going to take a few minutes. Once the hummus is finished, just scrape it into an airtight container. Add a little drizzle of olive oil on top with a sprinkle of cayenne, and you're pretty much done. You're going to refrigerate this until you're ready to eat. And yeah, anytime. for me is a comfort food that even if you're sitting there mindlessly eating it, it's still not as bad as eating like a whole bag of potato chips or eating a pint of ice cream or any other like processed snacks. It's delicious, it's nutritious, it's pretty dang simple, and if you make it, you'll see just how simple it is. Thanks, guys. And those were the 2 recipes that I wanted to try out for you guys for this video. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and do that if you'd like. And go ahead and click the little bell alert button. Click all videos so that you will continue getting videos from me and this channel. And I'd really appreciate it, guys. Next time, we'll see what's coming up. So hopefully I'll have something real great for you guys in the next video. And again, I really appreciate it. I actually found out within the last day or so that I have doubled subscribers for the channel. I'm so excited about that. Thank you for all my new subscribers. There are now 21 of y'all who are officially subscribed to the channel, and it's really really a great thing. I'm really glad that you guys like the videos enough to want to stick around and see what I can come up with next. So yeah, like, subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below if there are some other recipes that you want me to try out, or if there's something that you want me to make better for our Make It Better series. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and go have a great rest of your day, hopefully. Bye.